Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals, and this is something different. In order to help support the Democratic Party and the Kamala Harris campaign, I am offering a free pair of earrings that say Vote Blue. All I need is for you to be a subscriber, for you to commit to Vote Blue. You would click the link in the description and go to my Shopify store. Shipping is going to be first class stamp. Shipping is free. I am paying the shipping. There is no tracking. All I'm asking is that you commit to Vote Blue in November. This is a part of what I'm doing to help. I've given financial donations. I have committed to make phone calls, and in addition, I'm going to do this free Vote Blue earring campaign. So I would love for you to get a pair. In my shop, you'll also find a paid pair of Vote Blue earrings. These are mirror acrylic, and they say Vote Blue in a very beautiful script. I am so excited about the possibilities of what could come out of this campaign. And I just want to do whatever I can to help bring it to pass. So if you're excited like me, get your pair of Vote Blue earrings. They're clear acrylic, so they're going to match anything you wear. So check them out. Pick them up. Click the link. They are available in clip-on or pierced. So you'll have the opportunity to designate which kind you want when you check out. All right, good people, let's do this. I don't know about you, but I'm not going back. Not going back. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals saying, as always, be blessed.